Welcome back to the Oasis. I am back with a quick haul, this time from Amazon. As you can see, we love Amazon. We have a Prime membership because we order from them a lot. That 2-day shipping is on point when I need to get something quick. This time I just caught a sale on, you see, Quest Nutrition. And you may see nutrition and be like, oh, it's going to be something really, really healthy. And it kind of is, but then it kind of isn't. I guess it still is, but. Chips. That's what we had to do. I got 3 different boxes of 3 different kinds of the protein chips. I tried these in Walmart. And I got the nacho cheese and the chili lime flavor. They were out of the other flavor I got, which I'll show you in just a minute. But both of these were really good. Like if you are, you know, trying to lower your carb count a little bit. You see that? Total carbs, 5 grams. Fiber, 1 gram. So technically that's 4 net carbs, as you can see on the package there, for the whole package. When you are missing some tortilla chips, some of those other cheesy tortilla chips, these fit the bill. I'm telling you, they are good. Even the hubby likes them, just to snack on them, and they really fill you up. 18 grams of protein, and they taste good. And they have, you know, some real ingredients. Not the best, definitely not clean keto, but if you're doing a dirty, lazy keto or anything like that, or you're just trying to lower your carbs a little bit, this works. So let me show you what I got. So you can see that's the first one, the nacho cheese. Got a full box of those. Let me back out for y'all to see. 12 packages. So it was 12, 12, and 12. So what's that, 36 bags of chips? Now these in Walmart, just for one bag, was $2.48. So I caught these on a sale on Prime, on Amazon with my Prime membership, and one of them was more expensive than others, but one box was like $19.11. The other 2 boxes were 17 bucks. So we're talking about one bag of chips dropping down to like $1.70 a bag, and then the lower one's like $1.50, $1.60 a bag. So that's a big savings. Now here's the other one I got. Loaded taco. Oh, they are good. They are really, really good. We're going to take these and, you know, crumble them up over OT's chili, his smoked chili that he's going to get off the grill in a little bit. It's about to be on for real. And it's 12 of those. And then here's the last flavor that I had already tried. The tortilla style chili lime flavor. And those are really good. They're a little bit more spicy though. And I don't like too many spicy things, but it was good. Like I put it with some guacamole that I make, some homemade guacamole. It was very good. Very, very good. So we enjoyed all 3 of these flavors. My husband's favorite is, thus far, the nacho cheese. He really likes those. He said it tastes like regular. And I also got one more thing here. I haven't even opened it yet. Let me get my scissors, see if I can open it. All right, let's see what's in here. Tell me in the comments below if y'all have heard of this item. CarbQuik. Has anybody heard of this? Comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you like it. As you can see, it's keto friendly. Made with carbulose flour. It's a different kind of flour. Here are the ingredients. decent ingredients. I mean, not bad. Here is the nutrition facts. So basically, you see a third cup will make 1 biscuit. And they're saying that the carbs are 16 grams, fiber is 14 grams. So basically, that's 2 grams net carbs per biscuit or per third cup. And it's GMO free too. So we're gonna try this, see how it turns out, see if we like it, if we can work it in, help me with my low carb lifestyle, keto friendly as you can see. So that's it, guys. Just a quick little Amazon Prime haul. Hope y'all having a great day. If y'all like our videos, please like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you next time on the Oasis. All right, bye family.